Greetings, good evening. Welcome to another exciting late night painting with Brian, your favorite colorblind guy from Wisconsin. So I just thought I'd try something different. Have I think it's 14 by 14, sounds right. I thought I'd give this the apple barrel ready to pour and the pouring medium another try. Just because it didn't work once doesn't mean it won't work twice, if that's fair. So last time I mixed it with this stuff, I used medium bodied paint in tubes. This time I'm using like the soft bodied stuff. So I picked 4 colors at random. So I have eggplant, which this is a really cool color. I should have used this at some point by now. Light mocha. I have a burgundy and antique parchment. So let's see what we get out of this. So I didn't have to add any water to anything that I mixed the paint with the pouring medium to. It's all pretty thin already. So I bought the white so I could just dump it on here, because I didn't feel like buying white separately and then mixing it and doing it that way. So here we go. So this is like 5 something, and this was 10 something. So I used about half of it. So not the most cost effective compared to a gigantic gallon of the Floetrol. All right, let's spread this out a bit. It's a bit more liquidy than I usually do, so we'll see how that goes. It's a little warmer here in southern Wisconsin than it has been. It was in the mid-upper 20s today, I think. Supposed to get some snow and like freezing rain tonight or some garbage. I'm almost rather see snow, but you know, that could just be me. So we got our white. Get that out of the way. Got that all over my fingers. So we're going to put our cup, our floating cup, right in the middle. Put a little more. Let's see if we can get some more white out of here. Nope. So we are just going to put our colors in here. So the burgundy and the parchment and our eggplant. So these are all just, no matter how slow I pour it in there, it's just going in. Just sinking in. So I guess I don't have to worry about what order I do these in, because they're all just gonna go together anyway, which could be fun. We'll see. We like an adventure here, don't we? Why the heck not? So I have no idea what color these are going to make. Ooh. It is pushing out on its own. Probably because it's so liquidy. I'm doing that just so I don't get a big blob of one color right in the middle there. So let's see if we can get our handy torch to work tonight. I think the problem with this is the igniter. So I'm taken to just using matches with it. So, geez, we'll see what we get here. I hate to get rid of this because this has been with me for quite a while and I like the way it works. So all right, let's see what we get here. I don't want to pour too much off. Say at the moment I'm kind of sad about how much of the eggplant just kind of disappeared here. Let's see here. I can get these annoying chunks of some crap up here. What that is. All right, I think we're gonna leave it at that. Let me wash the hands and we'll get back in there. All right, so let's get in here a little closer. As usual, my favorite parts are the weird little bands of color. And I like these weird little dots that popped up, or cells that popped up through. And this cool part with eggplant in there is my favorite. But anyway, we're gonna leave it at that. Definitely some colors I never would have put together, but then again, I'm not very adventurous with colors. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.